Welcome to the Assessment and Training System on Material Risks for Supervisors. In this module, we will cover the safety protocol for contact with electricity. You will receive a certificate of competency upon completion of this training. The specific task involves the lockout of the electric motor of a bridge crane in order to isolate the equipment to make the area safe for the mechanical department to proceed on preventative equipment maintenance. In this procedure, you must monitor hazards and apply the appropriate controls to ensure the tasks are safely carried out. As the supervisor, you will be asked to observe and identify hazards by using the joystick. IVD will register the hazards and risks you observe, both in the environment around you and in the tasks being carried out. Hazards are classified as critical, life-threatening or which could result in catastrophic or significant injury or losses, and non-critical. The four roles involved in this procedure are an electrical maintainer, a mechanical maintainer, the operations supervisor, and you, the area supervisor. The lockout protocol consists of 5 stages. The first stage is when the operations supervisor conducts a safety briefing and the critical review of risk controls defined in the safety protocol, contact with electricity, and ensure there are optimum conditions to safely perform the procedure. In the second stage, the electrical maintainer, along with the mechanical maintainer, proceed with the lockout protocol in the electric room, blocking power and installing the card, lock, and departmental card. In the third stage, the electrical maintainer stores the lock key in a lock station. Subsequently, the mechanical maintainer and operations supervisor place their locks on the locking station. Fourth stage, the operations supervisor and the electric maintainer do a zero-energy test to ensure the protocol has been followed correctly and that there is no risk of exposure to electrical energy by testing the keypad of the crane. Finally, in the fifth stage, the operations supervisor performs a debrief and declares the area as secure, delivering and signing the respective work permits. In each of the 5 steps, you must follow the scene and observe the actions each individual takes to ensure the protocol is followed correctly. You must be diligent in ensuring the protocol is followed precisely in order to prevent injury and accidental losses.